This is a Reolink Solar Floodlight cam. There are no subscription fees. Completely wireless, 1000 lumen AI detection for people, pets, vehicles, alerts to your phone, email, anything you want. It's completely customizable. 3-watt solar ease technology, 7800 milliamp hour battery in here. Hour a day of sunlight to run this camera, up to 3 months. It can customize flashing of the LEDs along with 110 dB siren that you can turn on. Also with that speaker, you can do two-way talk through it. There's also spots that you can black out on the image so it doesn't detect anything in that area. And those are also customizable to what type of alert. That picked up really quick, actually. And there's the flashing. Bam. There you go.